Hey guys, welcome to my another video. In this video, we are going to talk about top 5 six-figure salary jobs in USA. If you guys are looking for salaries that provides annually six figures, so you are at the right video. Here, we're gonna search about top 5 six salary in USA. So, there are different websites like Indeed, ZipRecruiter, LinkedIn, Life Career and Career Sherpas. Different websites provide different roles. So here we're gonna check about USA Today. It provides the latest job role with the salaries and their perks or benefits. Here we are. So here we are. We have seen that American way they seek employment, good benefits, vacation time, work-life balance, and stimulating work environment, and a job that has meaning to society. So let's check it out. First of all, we have there's a 79, but we're gonna talk about only five administrative law judges, adjunction, and hearing officers. Who are they? Do you guys know about judge and law advocates? These are the people who earn like six figures annually in USA. Earning six figures is not so difficult in USA. Anyone can earn like six figures. And if we talk about seven figures, you guys should have invest something, or either your investment should be really great, or like you are solving problems of the world, and through that problem solving the world is paying you, or you are taking their money. Because we're not printing money, or only the government is printing money, we are taking money. There's difference between printing and taking money. Here we are, 79 with its administrative law judges, and on 78 we have educational administrators. Who are those? Education administrators are those who administrate the educations through their different policies that the government or the officials have passed, the vice versa stuff. Here we are. 10% of the workers here earn less than 63, while 90% annual wage is $100,000. So here it requires a degree, entry level idiot, master degree is essential here, and on the first one, doctoral or professional degree is essential. Now we will move to the third one. What is third one? Allow me. Here we are. Let's see. Here, scientists. So who are scientists? Scientists are that those who study the atomic and molecular composition of substances and analyze the ways in which they interact. The job requires people to have a bachelor degree. Though a master or PhD is needed to do research work. Like if you see air near, you'll see a lot of scientists have invented a lot of things. All scientists are not inventors, but all inventors are scientists. So this is the main difference. You should put that in your mind, so in future you don't do this mistake. Let's check about on 75. What's that? A physics teacher. What is physics? Physics a subject. The teacher of that subject, annually wage is 101k, while 10% earns less than 49k. In USA, I'm not talking about this in any Asian country, this is especially in USA. So physics teachers earn about like 101k, and 10 workers earn less than 49,690. And what the degree required? Doctoral or professional degree is required for this typical work. Hopefully you guys have learned something. Hopefully you guys are learning something via my video. And let's talk about our story. I have just missed the topic. Let's move back to it. Alright. So here we are. What is number 4? Political science teachers. Who are those teachers that study political science? Are the ones whose annual wage is in six figures. And in second video we will talk about the person whose annual wage is in seven figures. Right now we're gonna talk about annual wage, the people whose annual wage is six figures. So here we are. studying the thing, and the typical degree required for this professional is doctoral like PhD or some professional degrees in that particular subject. On number five, the last one, we have commercial pilots. Who are those? Commercial pilots fly fixed wing or aircraft or helicopter. Besides needing a high school diploma, commercial pilots must have a commercial pilot certificate and on-job training. So, its employment changes is 7% within like 10 years, which means that it is not in very demand, and 10% people out of 90 out of 100 earn less than 45k, while the average annual wage salary is 102k. These are six figure salary. These are top 5 jobs I have told you that earns within 6 figure salary. In our second video we will talk about top 5 jobs that give you at least 7 figures. Alright guys, that's enough for today. I will see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. This is your late Aliras, and I'm signing out.